G'day, welcome to Mad About Tutorials. My name is Matt. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to revive one of these Ryobi 36V batteries. The problem you have after a certain amount of time of using these batteries, they just no longer accept charge. You'll see that with this green and red error light, and if you're using the smaller charger, just nothing at all, as if the battery doesn't exist. Now this can be frustrating because the smaller batteries will set you back about $250 and up to $350 for the bigger ones. Now the fix is simple. There's 3 screws that we can see here around the outside of the battery and a 4th one hiding here underneath this little plastic cover. Using a small screwdriver, just dig that little plastic plug out and get yourself a T10 Torx screw bit. Removing those 4 screws will give you access to open up the battery. Now, this is the 3rd of these batteries that this has happened to for me, and a little bit frustrating. The first time I thought it was toast, so I just pulled the battery apart and went and salvaged all the 18650 cells from inside, which works out not too bad because I do reuse these for other projects. Using a small screwdriver, you want to peel back this battery charge indicator label because we want to reuse it again. Cracking apart the battery case, we can see that there is a little terminal here called RST. Now this is to reset the memory within the battery. Using a small piece of wire, what you want to do is bridge the gap on those connections and just hold it for a few seconds until you see the green light illuminate. And that's the fix, that's done. Go ahead and put the battery case back together, put those screws back in, and then give the battery a quick test charge. You should see it charge immediately, no issues, and you've got many years left in this battery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, it does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.